So I had a couple people ask. So I'm just gonna take a walk around the Black Rain here. Uh, the main things I focus on when I get a new AR, obviously a light. You want to be able to see what you're aiming at. Olight Odin Mini, 1250 lumens, and then I run the Vortex Strike Eagle 1 to 6 on there. Switch it up. Got the AMB safety selector, Radian Raptor charging handle. I've got the match grade flat face trigger. Should be here tomorrow. I run a Magpul bipod, but that's not a Magpul bipod. That's a cheap CV Live. That is a Magpul sling though. That's the Gen 4. And then I've got the Magpul sling QD mount right there. And then the Magpul bad lever, which is the bolt assist lever. Yeah, that's pretty much it.